친구들, 안녕하세요. Ang paksa po natin sa video ito ay mga common phrases, questions, and sentences using nugu. Nugu means who na madalas po nating naririnig as dugu. Huwag po kayong ma-confuse dahil tama po ang inyong naririnig. Si Nian kasi ay nasal consonant, kaya si nugu nagiging dugu. Si ne sounds like de. Nore sounds like dure. Kaya si dugu acceptable po yan. Naiintindihan po yan ng mga Korean. Pero ang tamang spelling po talaga nito ay N, nugu. Pero kapag gusto mo naman pong tanungin is, or ang tinutukoy mo is, who is the subject of the verb or ng kilos o galaw na nangyari, mangyayari, at nangyayari, ang gagamitin mo naman po ay si nuga. Nuga galing po yan kay nugu plus ga. Ga is from en ga, subject particle. Since nag-en po sa bawal si nugu, ga po yung ating gagamitin. Kaya naging nuguga. Pero tandaan po, si nuguga ay malimit po natin yung naririnig. Kasi po, ang ginagamit po ng mga Korean na term ay shinorten po yan si nuguga in duga or nuga. Yan. For example, nuga wasoyo, who came? Wasoyo, galing po yan kay udan na to come. And wasoyo is conjugated in past tense polite. Duga wasoyo, sino ang dumating? Or another example is duga chibe soyo, who is at home? Duga chibe is soyo. Chibe, galing naman po kay chip na home or house, and is a place particle. Isoyo naman po, galing kay ita na to have, to exist, or there is. Isoyo is conjugated in past tense polite. Okay, kapag naman po ang yung tutukuyin is who is that or who are you or who's that, ang gagamitin naman po natin is si duguya. Duguya, informal. Duguyayo, polite. Duguya, informal. Duguyayo, polite. And the formal way or term is duguimnika. Duguimnika. Yan naman po siya. Kapag naman po honorific terms are duguseyo or dugushimnika. Yan. Who are you or who is it or who's that? Ito pong ating mga gagamitin. For example, chusaram duguyeyo. Who is that person? Chusaram duguyeyo. Or chusaram들 duguyeyo. Who are those people? Chusaram들 duguyeyo. Okay, kapag naman po ang ating tinutukoy is what is the object for the action word or yung ng verb. Ang ating naman pong gagamitin ay dugurul plus the verb nga or yung action word. Yan, dugurul, si rul po ay galing po yan kay ul and rul na object particle. And si dugurul ay sinushorten po minsan na as dugul. Dugul. Yan. For example, dugurul 좋아해요. Who do you like? 좋아해요 galing po kay 좋아하다 na to like. 좋아해요 is conjugated in present tense, polite. dugurul 좋아해요. Who do you like? Or dugurul 선택했어요. Who did you choose? 선택했어요 is galing po yan kay 선택하다 na to choose or select. 누구를 선택했어요. 선택했어요. Yan, conjugated in past tense polite. 선택했어요. Okay? Kapag naman po ang ating tinutukoy ay sino yung kasama mo na gumawa ng bagay na yan. Parang, with who did you? Kung ano man yung action word or kilos o galaw na ginawa mo or ginawa ninyo. Ang gagamitin mo naman po is 누구하고 duguwa and dugurang. Naaalala pa po ba ninyo si dugu, hagu? Si hagu, wa and gwa, irangrang, gu and kurigu, na and or with po ang mga meaning, or from, pwede din from. Yan po ay, meron po akong live about that. Pwede nyo pong balikan po yan or i-check po sa aking page, Learning Korean with You. Mga 4 videos po yan, 4 na live. Kung para po mas maintindihan nyo ng klaro kung saan talaga mas ginagamit si hagu, wa and gwa, irangrang, gu and kurigu. Yan. Okay, for example, 누구하고 먹으십니까? 먹었습니까? Who did you eat with? Yan, duguhagu, mogosumnika. Mogosumnika is galing po kay mukta na to eat. Mogosumnika is interrogative po, past tense. Yan, who did you eat with? Or, dugurang iyagi heso. Yan, iyagi hada, galing po yan kay to have conversation or chat. Dugurang iyagi heso. Who did you talk with? Yan, who did you talk with? Iyagi heso is conjugated po in past tense polite. Okay? Another po is to who or to whom. Yan naman po si duguhante and duguege. Duguege. Si ege, hante, and ge is to. To. Okay? For example, duguhege choyo. To who are you going to give? Choyo, galing po yan kay chuda na to give. Duguege, choyo. Yan. Or duguhante, mareo. Mareo, galing naman po yan kay malhada na to speak or to talk. Duguhante, mareo. To who are you going to speak? Ganin naman po itong si duguhante and ege. Okay? And then lastly, sa aking hinanda po is si duguhanteso and duguegeso. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, si duguhante and duguege is to whom or to who. Ito naman si duguhanteso and duguegeso ay from who or from whom naman po ito. For example po is duguhanteso badasoyo. From who did you receive it? Duguhanteso badasoyo. Badasoyo, galing po yan kay batta na to receive. Conjugated lamang po ito in past tense polite, badasoyo. Or duguhanteso derosoyo. Who did you hear that from? Derosoyo, galing po yan kay deta na to hear. Yan, duguhante, derosoyo. Or sunmul, duguyegeso, badasoyo. Who did you get the present from? Sunmul, duguyegeso, badasoyo. Badasoyo, galing ulit po yan kay bata na to receive. Conjugated in past tense polite. At yan po yung mga common phrases, questions, and sentences using 누구. 그럼 친구들, 다음에 만나요. 안녕.